Hello everyone, welcome back to Upgrowth. You're already selling to your existing customers, but are your upsell and cross sell campaigns actually generating a return that justifies what you spend on them? This calculator tells you that. So, this is the upsell and cross sell ROI calculator by Upgrowth. Upselling means encouraging a customer to buy a higher value version of what they already have. Cross selling means offering them a related product or service alongside their current purchase. So this tool measures whether those campaigns are profitable. Just two inputs and you have your ROI on this. So cost of campaign, here is everything you spend to run the upsell or cross sell activity like emails, in-app prompts, sales team effort or any paid promotion. So I've entered 30,000 there, and additional revenue is the extra revenue your business earned that can be attributed to the upsell or cross sell campaign, meaning the revenue you would not have made without it. So I've entered there 1,50,000. So now let's hit on calculate. So here the ROI is 400%. That means for every 100 rupees spent on the campaign, we earn rupees 4,000, sorry, 400 in profit on top. A strong return that makes a clear case of scaling this activity. Acquiring a new customer costs significantly more than selling more to an existing one. That is why upsell and cross sell campaigns are often the most cost efficient revenue lever a business has, but only when they are measured properly. Without tracking ROI, teams run these campaigns based on gut feel and never know which offers, segments, or channels are actually driving the revenue. This calculator gives you the number that separates profitable campaigns from ones that are just adding noise. So run this for every upsell and cross sell campaign you run and track which ones deserve more budget. The link is in the description. And if you want help building an expansion revenue strategy that consistently grows from your existing customer base, Upgrowth is right below here. Get in touch with us. We can help you out. Thank you.